This is the January Discovered Beauty box. This edit is called Little Bag of Beauty. Let's get in here. Hi there guys, and welcome to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video I have this. So this is Discovered Beauty and this is the January box. Let's free it from its plastic prison. So if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you do like this video, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel out. I have a giveaway going on at the moment. Well, it's a future giveaway. When I get to 2,000 subscribers, I've got 3 amazing prizes. I have a video, I'm going to link it just there. In that video, it's just showing you what the 3 prizes are. They are great. Well, obviously I'm going to say that. I'm giving them away. But the main prize is the 2021 Glossy Advent Calendar. The other 2 prizes are super cool too. But yeah, get subscribing. If you share my channel with your friends and family, that would be absolutely fantastic. If they like the videos I make, subscribe, we'll get there quicker and I can get these prizes out of my house. Let's get on with the video. Right, so here is the box. It's kind of heavy actually. I'm really surprised at how heavy it is. Let's open her up. So inside we have the little thank you card that we get. Oh, the back to the printed one. Okay. They have hand wrote my name though, so that's nice. Although it's really nice to get that. With most of the boxes you don't, so that is a plus. And we have the edit card. So in the edit card, it has information on all the products that are in the box. So we will be referring to this throughout the video. So we'll pop that there a moment. That is what we've got in the box. Here is a closer look of the makeup bag. It feels lovely. It feels really nice. Let's open it up. Now we have more packing peanuts. Let's get rid of those. There is a little sneaky peek inside for you. If you are interested in purchasing this, unfortunately, you only have until the 10th of the month to buy this, so you've missed out on this one. I do apologise. I wish I got it earlier, but I don't. But if you want to purchase future Discovered Beauty boxes, it's £25 per month on a rolling monthly basis. I have a link. I'll pop that link in the information box and the comment box. Click that link and it gets you your first box £3 off, I believe, so every penny counts. And you're known to get skincare, makeup, beauty tools, hair care in here. And I think we've had a candle in here in the past as well. You get other stuff as well. But yeah, let's get to it and unbox this bad boy. So back to the edit card for just a moment. Inside it just has a little note there which we'll read, but it also says the name of this edit is Little Bag of Beauty, and the note just says, let's bring in the new year, DBB fam. Instead of new year, new me, it's a new year and new bag of beauty. Whether you like travelling near or far, experiencing new adventures, enjoying your favourite getaway or staying at home, every makeup bag needs sprucing up every once in a while. The first product we have is obviously the makeup bag. So this is by the brand Prite. I hope I'm saying that correctly, and yeah, it is a makeup bag. The RRP for this is £12.99. It just says, have a stylish and durable makeup bag from Prite, suitable to store all your essential beauty needs and even makeup brushes. Received either sunrise yellow or a light blue. I'm actually really glad I got the sunrise yellow. Definite mustard vibes are going on here. The quality feels absolutely gorgeous. The zip is really top notch. And yeah, this is inside the bag, and it's that kind of material where you can just get a damp cloth and wipe to clean, which is great. So in the lid of it, yeah, we have an elastic bit here. We have the bits where you can pop the brushes, so the brushes will go in like that, and then that elastic will keep them in, which is really nice. But yeah, I'm really loving the quality of this. Very nice indeed. The second product we have is this. So this is by the brand Organic Works and it's a Bergamot Shower Gel. Okay, the RRP for this is £12. It's vegan and cruelty free. It just says get refreshingly Get refreshingly revitalized every day with this Bergamot Shower Gel by Organic Works. Made with bergamot and sweet orange oils, leave your skin soft and vibrant. Suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skins. Created with natural and plant-based ingredients. Cool. It says, yeah, it's also got aloe vera, tropical orange and bergamot. Yeah, cool. Let's have a smell. That's beautiful. Really strong, powerful, fresh smell. That is gorgeous. The third product we have is by what is currently one of my top brands that I absolutely love, and it is this. So it's by the brand Doctor's Formula, and it's a probiotics deep hydration and repairing mask. Fan-bloody-tastic. So the RRP for this, guys, is £85. Wow. So it just says probiotics for the skin is definitely a must-have for any beauty bag. We've got you covered with Doctor's Formula Probiotics Mask, helping you create a healthier appearance in skin and maintaining the skin's good bacteria. It also aims to repair and renew, soothe, gently exfoliate and hydrate. Sounds absolutely fantastic. I have just done a video actually on Doctor's Formula. I'll link it there if you're interested in seeing it. It's a skincare haul that was very kindly gifted to me. There's quite a few products in there, so yeah, go and have a watch. Amazing, amazing products. I'm going to do separate product reviews for the products that are in there. But yeah, really happy to get this. Let's open it. So this is what it looks like. It is sealed. I'm going to leave it sealed because I have quite a few things going on at the moment and I don't want to be opening yet another thing. But guys, I can promise you this brand is awesome. I don't think I've come by a product by this brand that I don't like. So yeah, I am excited about this. So the fourth item we've got in the box is this. So this is by the brand, it's KAB, is it just Kab? Kab's Cosmetics, that's what we're going to call them. And it's Day and Night Eyeshadow Palette. The RRP for this is £39.32. And it just says, could you have a beauty bag without any makeup? We think not. Featuring 18 highly pigmented shades to create a multitude of day and night looks. With gorgeous soft shades for the day and beautiful bolds for an intense night look. All shades needed for endless possibilities, travelling with ease. Oh, we've got to have a little look-see at this. Oh, guys, look at that. Oh my God. Right, let's do 4 of the shimmers, I think. So we'll do this one, which is Sunset. We'll do Luna. We'll do Midnight. And we'll do Starlight. Guys, I am in love. Oh my God. How bloody gorgeous. The 5th and final product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Eclat Skin. I have probably butchered that name, I do apologise. It's a hyaluronic acid and collagen body lotion. The RRP for this is £55. We've really been spoilt this box. It just says, every beauty bag needs a beautiful body lotion. Get wonderfully nourished skin whilst being enveloped in luxury vanilla scent. Oh, I love vanilla, I love it. And rich with shea butter, aloe vera juice, apple fruit extract and pumpkin seed oil infused with collagen and hyaluronic acid. Created to quench thirsty skin and deliver long-lasting moisture, yet be lightweight and quick absorbing. That is a lovely, deep vanilla, sexy scent. And it smells even better when it's on the skin. So this is the January Discovered Beauty Box. It is a little bag of beauty edit. What do you think? So personally, I am so impressed with this box. It's absolutely amazing. You need to subscribe. I have basically liked every box that they've brought out. I think there was one product in a box way back that I didn't really like. But other than that, I have loved these boxes, and this box, amazing. I love it. That eyeshadow palette, that's just for the shimmers. So soft and buttery and deliciously looking awesomeness. That's all I can say. The smell of that body lotion, chef's kiss. My favourite skincare brand, Doctor's Formula. Yeah, and a really nice shower gel. Perfect, awesome, full stop, end of story. So that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.